Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you interested in building APIs quickly and easily with Python, you are in the right place. Today, we'll dive into FastAPI, a powerful and modern framework that's taking the Python world by storm. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, FastAPI has something to offer. Let's get started. 5. Install Fast API. Rubicon. Okay, that is. You are ready to build your fast API app. Now let's create a simple fast API applications. Open your favorite code editor and create a file called main.py. Here's the code. Fast from fast API. Import fast API. Now save. Next, write the function with def. Finally, return. Okay, this code does a few things. It creates a FastAPI instance, defines two endpoints or root endpoints, and an item endpoint item underscore ID. Next, running your FastAPI app. To run this application, open your terminal in the same directory as main.py and type. Okay, now URL on click. The API was successfully confirmed. One of FastAPI's standard features is its automatic documentation. If you got http://127.0.1:8000/docs. Okay. You'll see beautifully generated Swagger UI. This interactive interface allows you to test your API endpoint directly from your browser. It's great for both development and debugging. That's it for today's introduction to FastAPI. I hope you learned how easy and powerful it is to build APIs with this framework. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.